Paul Lundberg, President and CEO of Lund Industries, and I'm proud to be in Phoenix today at the Firebird International Raceway to introduce an exciting and innovative new product from Lund, the Police Audio-Visual Safety System, or P.A.S.S.
The features that we incorporated into the P.A.S.S system that help improve the safety and the performance of the police cars is by the orientation of the speaker we get a better ground plane signal, and it for the first time really makes it easy for a police agency to install dual speakers on a police car. Because of the limited space that most of the cars have, they just haven't had the ability to put two speakers on a car before. Now they can very easily do that and get the sound out in the very leading edge of the vehicle where it's the most effective.
The process that led to the design and development of the P.A.S.S system was the fact that as cars become more and more aerodynamic, it becomes more difficult to find an acceptable place to put a speaker, a siren speaker particularly, where it is effective. We have aerodynamic considerations, we have cooling considerations when speakers are placed behind the grille. And we have all sorts of manufacturers' mandates that we have to try and follow. So that led to the development of P.A.S.S, which takes the speakers and puts them out in front of the vehicle where they should be.
There's several things about the design of our P.A.S.S speaker that aid its performance. One of the key features is most of the speakers on the market today are built very shallow in depth in order to fit behind the grille of the car. Because we have ours mounted in the upright of the push bumper, we don't have those same depth limitations, so we've been able to design a much better horn for the speaker, giving it better sound. Also, the long vertical shape of it is very effective at dispersing the sound on a ground plane as opposed to most speakers on the market that are a more symmetrical design.
The big difference in the P.A.S.S system and what it enables you to do is mount the speakers out in front of the vehicle, which provides considerably more off-axis sound. It also allows for the installation of multiple speakers in areas where you couldn't do them before. It doesn't put the speaker back around the radiator where mounting space requirements are very, very tight, and or the manufacturers don't want you to put them there. Plus, the radiator and the grill shield a lot of the sound and make it a lot less effective.
Rolling.
The visual and audio-visual in the P.A.S.S system refers to the ability to mount LED warning lights on the bumper unit itself. We've designed it so that it's pre-drilled and has mounting locations for side-facing LEDs to represent the corner lights of the vehicle, and also front-facing LEDs, which gives the customer the ability to wig-wag LEDs or use them as steady burn for those various locations. The P.A.S.S system is important for the safety of the officer and the general public because the more effective and the more sound that can come out of the speaker system, the better chance there is that the motorist will have time to react and respond to the officer. And the more time the motorist has, the sooner the officer is heard approaching, the safer it is for both the motorist and the officer.
The speed of the police vehicle or emergency vehicle definitely affects speaker performance. It's very easy to overdrive a single speaker in this day and age, and of course that severely degrades the amount of time that the public or the person in front of you in a vehicle with the air conditioning on and everything turned up, the radio turned up, has the time to respond and to move and get out of your way. The most important thing here is to let them know that you're back there as soon as you possibly can.